Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me TCL 406, and now I can show you how to clean USB charging port using household items on this device. So basically it's very easy to do. To do it, you just need to remember the one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector, so I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. As you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we will try to brush it out. So I suggest you use an old toothbrush because toothbrush is the best tool to clean the connector without damaging the USB-C port. So you just need to insert the one part of the brush into the connector and just brush it out. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.